Now, good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. Anywhere you're listening from all over the world, now mathematics in pidgin again. Let me solve this one quickly. The question says, Lami failed her mathematics quiz by scoring 20% of the total marks awarded. If Zainab scored 80% and got 160 marks, how many marks did Lami score? I'll go read that again. Lami failed her mathematics quiz by scoring 20% of the total marks awarded. If Zainab scored 80% and got 160 marks, how many marks did Lami score? Okay, now score with this. Must correct immediately. How many marks did Lami score? This one a word problem. We concern percentage. And they ask us to make we find wetin Lami score for number if he scored 20% of the total score. But they not tell us the total score. But they give us wetin we go use find the total score. And that is wetin say Zainab scored 80% of the total score, which is 160. So we'll start from there to find the total score first. To find the total score, we'll first say Zainab get 80% of the total score. What we say the total score na T equal to 160. That one means say 80% will be 80 over 100 times T to give us 160. Therefore, if we divide 10 divide 100, there will give us 10. 10 divide 80 will give us 8. So if we get 8 times T will give us 8T over 10 equal to 160. So if we cross multiply, we'll get say 8T will be equal to what in 160 times 10. We're going to divide both sides by T. We'll divide both sides by 8. So that 8 here 1, 8 here will give us 1. 1 times T will give us T. Now I will use line here now. 1 times T will give us T equal to 8 here 1. 8 in 160 will give us 20. 20 times 10 will give us 200. So 200 will be the total score. But that one will be within decimal find. Within decimal find now Lami score. So Lami scored 20% of the total score, which is 200. This will give us 20 over 100 times 200. So 0 will cancel 0 here. That is 10 divided 100 will give us 10. 10 divided 20 will give us 2. 10 still divide 10 here will give us 1. 10 divided 200 here will give us 20. So 2 times 20 will give us 40 marks. So within Lami score, now 40 marks. So I would like you just look at, take your time, look at, prepare your question. Ask your question for the comment section. Then remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also share and make others learn what you don't learn soon. See you for the next video. Bye bye.